for calling Christian Hotel. This is Joel. How may I help you?
I would like to take a reservation, please.
Okay, sir. Can I have your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Carl Anthony P. Castillo.
Thank you, sir, for Castillo. Can I have your contact number?
Yes, my contact number is 0991 686 and 6724.
Thank you, sir. Can I confirm your contact number, sir?
Yes, please.
0991 686 6724.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, sir. Can I have your email address, sir?
Yes. My email address is castillo@gmail.com.
Thank you, sir. And can I have your address?
Can you repeat, please?
Can I have your address, sir?
My email address is Rapila, Aritao, Nueva Vizcaya.
When would you like to check in, sir?
On the first day of March.
How long would you stay in our hotel, sir?
I would like to stay for 3 nights. Is it okay?
Let me check, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Do you have any other?
Can you repeat, please? Can you please say it in loud and clear, please?
How many are you going to stay in our hotel?
Yeah, I'm only one. Only one person, please.
What type of room would you like, sir?
What type of room do you have in your hotel?
We have deluxe, double, and suite.
Yes, I would like to take the deluxe room.
Okay, sir. And the type of bed, sir?
I would like to take king size bed, please.
Okay, sir. And the payment method, sir?
What payment method would you like to accept?
Anything, sir?
Okay, I will use my credit card.
What type of credit card, sir?
I will using my American Express card.
Okay, sir. Are there any additional requests, sir?
Yes. I would like to have an extra 2 pillows and extra 2 towels and 1 red wine.
Sorry, sir, I forgot to your credit number.
Yes, would you like to take my credit number?
Yes, sir.
The credit card number is 12344321 12344321.
And the back number, sir?
The back number of my credit card is 8888.
Okay, sir. May I confirm your reservation, sir?
Yes, please.
Your name is Carl Castillo. Your contact number is 0916866724.
Yes.
You Address is the Revita Meloviskaya.
Yes.
Check-in date, first week of March.
Yes, that's
Check-out
correct.
of date. On March 3, 2025.
Yes.
And the room type is deluxe.
Yes.
Bed type, king size. Payment method, credit.
Yes, very well.
The additional request is pillow,
Yes, that's correct.
extra towel. Is that all, sir?
I also requested one red wine.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, that's okay.
Red wine.
Yes.
Is this all, sir?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'll make your reservation as quickly as possible, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.